Okay, starting with example number 9.2. Two batteries of 7 volt and 13 volt are of and internal resistances 1 ohm and 2 ohm respectively. Means 7 volt battery has internal resistance 1 ohm and 13 volt battery has internal resistance 2 ohm. Are connected in parallel. Both of them are connected in parallel with a resistance of 12 ohm also connected in parallel with the two batteries. Chalo, we'll draw the circuit. If the circuit is not given to you, you can draw the circuit. See to it that the internal resistance of the battery is always towards the negative end of the battery. After this, we have a resistance over here, a rough diagram, circuit diagram. Here a battery 7 volt, 1 ohm internal resistance. Here a battery of 13 volt, internal resistance 2 ohm, and here 12 ohm resistance. Find the current through each branch of the circuit. Okay, 1 2 3, we have 3 branches. We'll be finding the value of the current passing through these 3 branches and the potential drop across 12 ohm resistance. 12 ohm resistance is connected across this points, so we'll find potential difference across this point. Chalo, always the current starts flowing from the positive end of the battery. Suppose the current flowing from this end is I1, which comes over here to this junction, and current flowing from this battery is I2. So I1 and I2 both reaches this junction, and from this what will leave the junction, that is I1 plus I2. According to Kirchhoff's first law, the amount of current coming towards the junction is equal to the amount of current leaving the junction. So here we have two currents traveling towards the junction, that is I1 and I2. So I1 plus I2 will be equal to the amount of current leaving, that is I1 plus I2. Okay, so I1 plus I2 travels over here, then they travel over here, then they travel over here, then again at this junction I1 plus I2 breaks into two parts. Okay, see, if you check this terminal or this branch, we have I2 current, so I2 current will flow over here and I1 current flow over here. So this is how I1 plus I2 breaks. Let's name the corners, that is A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, now we want the current flowing through each branch. So first we'll select loops in such a way that we complete all the three branches. So first loop I'll select, that is A B E F A. This A B E F A. Okay, and this will be my direction. So we'll write applying Kirchhoff's voltage law in loop A B E F A. Chalo, let's travel from A to B. We have nothing, but when we travel from B to E, see, the direction of the current in your current is opposite, so the potential difference will be positive. Potential difference is nothing but current and resistance. Current is I2 and resistance is 2, so it will be 2 2 I2 into 2. Okay, and if you see the battery, at which terminal we stop? Negative terminal. We have crossed. See, while going through this direction, we cross positive terminal of the battery and stop at negative terminal, so it will be minus 13. Okay, then from E to F, F to E. While coming from F to E, your direction and the direction of the current is same. So here the potential difference will be negative. That is I1 current into resistance. Resistance is 1. So 1. Now let's see the battery, because we also have a battery over here. While flowing or while going towards this direction, we stop at positive potential. So here we'll be having plus 7. So is equal to 0. Okay, let's solve it. So 2 I2 minus I1 minus 13 plus 1. I1 into 1 is I1. Minus 13 plus 7 gives me minus 6 is equal to 0. So can I write it like this? 2 I2 minus I1 is equal to positive 6. This is my equation 1. Okay, now next loop which I will be selecting will be the longer loop. or the biggest loop I can say for the circuit, that is from A to C, C to D, then D to F, then F to A. I'll write applying Kirchhoff's law, that is Kirchhoff's voltage law in loop, that is A, C, D, F, A. Chalo, let's start from A. While coming from A to C, we don't have any resistance. From C to D, we have resistance, that is 12 ohm, and your direction and the direction of the current is same, so it will be negative potential difference. The current at this terminal is I1 plus I2, so it will be I1 plus I2, and this resistance, that is 12. Okay, then while going from D to F, no resistance. While coming from F to A, your direction and the direction of the current is same, so potential difference will be negative. Potential difference is nothing but the product of current and resistance. Current is I1, resistance is 1, so I1 into 1. Let's see, we also have a battery. See, blue one shows your direction. While you travel towards this direction, you stop at positive potential, so it will be plus 7 is equal to 0. Now if we open the bracket, minus, we have 12 over here and we have minus, so let's open the bracket, minus plus minus, and this 12, so this will be 12 I1 minus plus minus, and this 12, so 12 I2 minus I1 into 1 is I1 plus 7 is equal to 0. So minus 12 I1 minus I1 is nothing but minus 13 I1 minus 12 I2 plus 7 is equal to 0. From 1, I will substitute the value of, okay, what I have written, okay, let's not mark this as 1. If you see this equation again, I can write it like this, 2I2 minus 6 is equal to I1. I might have told something wrong over there. I might have told right but written wrong or whatever. See, if you take this minus on right hand side, minus I1 on right hand side, so it becomes positive I1. What remains over left hand side? 2I2 minus 6. So 2I2 minus 6 is nothing but the value of I1. You can say this as 1. We will substitute this value of I1 in this equation, that is minus 13. What is I1? 2I2 minus 6 minus 12I2 plus 7 is equal to 0. Open the bracket, 13 2s are 26, so minus 26 I2 minus minus is plus, 13 into 6, 36 are 18, and so this is 78 minus 12 I2 plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, minus 26 minus 12, minus minus is plus, or you can also take them to okay, let's solve it now. Minus minus is plus, 6 plus 2 is 8, 2 plus 1 is 38, bigger number is 26, so minus 38 I2, 78 plus 7, 78 plus 7 will be 85, so plus 85 is equal to 0. So it is 85 is equal to positive 38. If you take this 38 on right hand side, it will become positive 38 I2. So you can write it as 85 upon 38 is equal to I2. So if you cancel this, अब cancel कैसे करें, that becomes a problem. So you can do one thing, you can write the table of 38, because we have 38 in the denominator and 85 in the numerator. So I'll write that part over here, that is I2 is equal to 85 upon 38. We'll write the table of 38. 38 twos are is, I have written it, 38 twos are is 76, 38 threes are is 114, okay, 38 fours are is 152, 38 fives are is 140, no, 190 it is, 190, and 38 six are is 228, 38 sevens are is let's see, 7 8s are 56, 5 over here, 3 sevens are 21 plus 5 266, 38 8s are 8 8s are 64, 6 3 8s are 24 plus 6 304, 38 9s is 342. Now this will help me in calculating. See, it is 85 and here we have 76. 38 ones are and 38 twos are. So 85 minus 76, this becomes 7. 15 minus 6 gives me 9. I'll put a point over here. See, I am showing this basic calculations because some of the students find this calculation stuff. Some might have not kept maths as optional. 90, again 38 3s is 114, so we'll go with this number, that is 38 2s are. 38 2s are, that is 76. So here we have 8. 10 minus 6 is 4. 8 minus 7 is 1. So 14, because of point this becomes 140. 140 के नज़दीक कोई नहीं है, ये 152 हो रहा है, तो we'll take this 114. So 38 3s are 114. So this becomes 3 and this becomes 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 3 minus 1 is 2. 26, because of point this becomes 260. 260, ये 266 है, तो we can go with this. 38 6 are 228. 38 6 are 228. So this becomes 5. This becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 32. Because of point this will become 320. 320, ये 342 हो गया, ये 304 है, तो 38 8s are. बस, we have 4 digits, so I can write I2 is equal to 2.2. See, this number is greater than 5, or so we'll cut it and we'll add 1 over here. So it is 2.237 ampere. This is the value of I2. Now as we have got the value of I2, I can substitute the value of I2 over here and get the value of I1, है ना? So it is 2I2 minus 6 is equal to I1, right? 2I2 minus 6 is equal to I1. So here I have written 2. What is I2? That is 2.237, right? Minus 6 is equal to I1. 2 7s are 14. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Please do not use calces. Now I'll subtract these digits. 4.474, 6.000. Now how will you subtract it? This ओके, नेगेटिव नंबर आएगा, ऐसे माइनस कर देते हैं. 6.00 minus 4.474. So this becomes 5, 10, 9, 9, right? 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 5 minus 4 is 1. So it will be negative number. So क्योंकि छोटा नंबर है ना यहाँ पर, so it is minus 1.526 ampere is equal to I1. Now this is the value of I1. We have the value of I2. चेक करते हैं यहाँ पर कौन सा करंट. इस ब्रांच में I1 फ्लो हो रहा है, वैल्यू मिल गई. इस ब्रांच में I2 फ्लो हो रहा है, वैल्यू मिल गई. इस ब्रांच में I1 प्लस I2 फ्लो हो रहा है, सो उसका भी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करते हैं. I1 प्लस I2. I1 कितना है? I1 ये रहा, नहीं, I1 यहाँ है, दैट इज़ माइनस 1.526, राइट. प्लस I2 कितना है? 2.237. 2.237 is equal to, we are finding the value of this. Now minus करना है. 2.237 minus 1.526 करो माइनस. 7 minus 6 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, इसको बना दो 1. 12 minus 5 is 7. 0.711 is equal to 0.711 ampere. ये वाला करंट यहाँ फ्लो हो रहा है. सो वी हैव फाउंड दिस. नाउ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस दिस वन, 12 ohm resistance. अच्छा, 12 ohm resistance potential difference is what? Potential difference is nothing but current into resistance. कौन सा करंट फ्लो हो रहा है यहाँ पर? It is I1 plus I2. कौन सा रेजिस्टेंस है यहाँ पर? It is 12. So I1 plus I2 कितना मिला हमको? Here it is I1 plus I2 मिला 0.711. So 0.711 into 12 करेंगे. करते हैं, चलो. 0.711 into 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 0s are 0. Point plus 1 to 1. Okay, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 sevens are 7, 1 zeros are 0. So 2, 3, 5, 7 plus 1 is 8 और ये 0. पॉइंट के बाद कितने नंबर है? 1 2 3. So 1 2 3, 8.532, 8.532 voltage found. Complete.